Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use Easy Ads app for Shopify. Alright, so let's begin with the video. This is going to be a quick and easy tutorial. I'm also going to show you guys the advantage of using Easy Ads in this video. Easy Ads for Shopify is a marketing app designed to help Shopify store owners create and manage advertising campaigns on platforms like Facebook and Instagram with minimal effort. It simplifies the process of running ads by automating key tasks such as audience targeting, ad creation, and performance optimization. With Easy Ads, users don't need advanced marketing knowledge. It provides step-by-step guidance to set up a sales funnel, including prospecting, retargeting, and conversion-focused ads. The app connects directly to your Shopify store and Facebook account, pulling product data automatically to create engaging ads. It also offers real-time performance tracking and suggestions to improve results. Overall, Easy Ads is a user-friendly tool aimed at helping e-commerce businesses drive traffic and increase sales through smart, automated advertising. So, first thing you want to do is log into your Shopify store. It's going to take you to your Shopify dashboard, as you can see here. Now, the next thing you need to do is click on Settings at the very bottom left, and then click on Apps and Sales Channels. You want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. Okay, so you click on Shopify App Store here. It's going to take you to the Shopify App Store. Now what you need to do next is search for Easy Ads. So click on Easy Ads for Facebook Ads, which is the app we want to download. This is the official app of Easy Ads, as you can see. Now what you need to do is click on Install. So as you can see, Easy Ads is an AI-powered advertising app that helps you launch an effective advertising funnel on Facebook and Instagram in minutes to promote your product catalog profitably and grow sales. Super easy to learn and fast to set up, Easy Ads comes with a done-for-you funnel strategy and automatic campaign optimizations, so you don't have to worry about audience targeting, ad creative creation, or campaign setup. It's all done for you. AI-powered advertising funnel with personalized Facebook and Instagram ads. Target top audiences for your niche and retarget interested buyers automatically. Done-for-you campaign template with preset audience targeting and ad creatives. Optimize your ads for maximum conversions with AI optimization. Measure your ads performance in an easy-to-understand dashboard. Now, click on Install, and it will take you directly to the app. On the next page, click on Install again to confirm. It's going to take you to this page. As you can see, you can also watch this video on how Easy Ads works, but I'm going to show you exactly how to use Easy Ads. Click on Start Free Trial. Next, you'll see info like how much you'll be charged. You will not be charged during your free trial. They give you a 10-day free trial to use Easy Ads, and if you don't like it, you can always go to Settings, and then in Apps and Sales Channels, and delete the app before the 10 days end, and you won't be charged. Your first trial is for 10 days. If you want to cancel, just remove Easy Ads from your store settings. I'll show you how to do that. Now click Start My Free Trial, and you will be on this page. Next, click on Approve here. By the way, this is the amount you will pay each month after the 10-day free trial. It's almost $30. So I'm clicking Approve. Now, as you can see, you'll have to connect your Facebook profile. I already did that, which is why they're not asking me to connect now. But for you, it will say Connect Facebook Profile, and you will have to click Connect and log into Facebook. Then, you'll have to connect your Facebook page. It might connect automatically. Click on the drop-down here to select which Facebook page you want to connect to Easy Ads. You need to create a Facebook page to use Easy Ads, of course. Choose the Facebook page you want to use. Next is the Business Manager. You need to choose a business manager with access to your ad account. Then, add your Facebook Ads account. I've already added one. You also need to choose a Facebook Pixel that's installed on your store. If you don't have one, they'll ask you to connect it. You can always watch a tutorial about how to do that. Once everything is connected, click on Create. And now we are on this page. On this page, select the products to promote. Click on Select Products to Promote here. You can add categories. For example, on my Shopify store, I sell items in health and beauty, so that's the category I'll add. You can add multiple categories. Now click Save. Next, you can set up your funnel, adjust the ad content for each funnel stage. You can edit the product styling, how you want your ads to look. You can also change the images. The AI generates images for you. Choose which image you want. That's one of the best features of Easy Ads. It allows you to create multiple image styles. After that, you can click on Info tag and change the style. I'm clicking Publish Changes. Then, choose a funnel stage: awareness, consideration, decision, or loyalty. Each funnel stage targets a different audience. For example, awareness ads target new audiences. You'll see how the ad will look on Facebook and Instagram. Great quality with big discounts, for example. If you choose consideration, it targets website visitors who didn't purchase. You'll see that ad style too. If you select decision, it targets people close to buying. The ad might say, "Get 15% off your first order." You can also change the ad text or generate new text using the AI. Just describe your product, add a special offer, choose your language, and the AI will create the ad copy. You can add one or multiple products. Loyalty ads retarget customers who have already purchased. For example, bought it, loved it, why not buy again? Once you read all of this, select any one category of ads. I'm going to choose consideration. Then scroll down and click Launch. After clicking Launch, you will be taken to this page. Here, set your target audience. I'm targeting people ages 18 to 40 for this product. You can choose gender, male, female, or all. Then set your location. For example, I'll target Australia and maybe Argentina or the United Arab Emirates. You can choose multiple countries. You can also target languages. I'll choose English and French. Then, enter interests. This helps Facebook show your ad to people interested in your product. For example, I'll target people interested in watches. I'll add watches and also smartwatches. Add multiple interests depending on your product. Now scroll down to set your daily budget. I'll set mine to this amount. You can change the currency if needed. Easy Ads does not charge you for your ad spend. That goes directly to Meta, Facebook. It even says here, I understand that Easy Ads does not charge me for my ads and that I pay Meta directly. You can also let the AI optimize your daily budget, a useful feature. Enable this, and it will auto-optimize your daily budget. For example, the max daily budget might be this much. Check the box that confirms you understand Easy Ads doesn't charge for the ads. Then click Launch My Ads. Easy Ads will now create your funnel. This takes a few seconds or minutes. I'll come back when it finishes. As you can see, your advertising funnel was successfully created. Click Go to Dashboard. On your dashboard, you'll see ad spend, impressions, clicks, and revenue. You can disable a funnel stage if you don't want to run it. For example, disable decision or loyalty. These stages target different types of customers. Decision targets people who almost purchased. Loyalty targets those who already bought something. You can also change your daily budget in the dashboard. Click Settings to change audience targeting, funnel structure, Meta account, or product selection. You can also customize how products appear in your ads, image customization, text, etc. If any of your products don't have categories, you can add categories here. You can also create a new funnel using the button at the top. And that's exactly how this works. So, that's basically how you can use Easy Ads app for Shopify. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.